How to invest for beginners. Welcome back to The Money Fortune, your go-to source for all things finance and wealth building. Today, we're diving deep into the world of investing, specifically tailored for beginners. Investing can be a powerful tool to grow your wealth over time, but it can also be daunting for those just starting. Fear not, because in this video, we will share essential tips and strategies to help you embark on your investing journey with confidence and success. 1. Understand your financial goals. Before you even think about investing, take a moment to define your financial goals. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or perhaps a dream vacation? Understanding your objectives will help you determine your investment horizon and risk tolerance, which are crucial factors when selecting investment options. 2. Start with an emergency fund. Investing should never come at the expense of your financial security. Before diving into the stock market or other investment vehicles, ensure you have an emergency fund in place. Having 3-6 months' worth of living expenses readily available will provide a safety net in case of unexpected financial setbacks. 3. Learn the basics. Education is key to successful investing. Take the time to learn the fundamental concepts of investing, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Numerous online courses, books, and resources are available to help you build a solid foundation of knowledge. 4. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, is a fundamental rule in investing. Diversifying your portfolio by spreading your investments across different asset classes can help reduce risk. Consider a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and alternative investments to create a well-balanced portfolio. 5. Start small and gradually increase. Begin with a manageable amount of money that you can afford to invest without causing financial strain. As you become more comfortable and experienced, you can increase your contributions. Regularly contributing even small amounts can lead to significant growth over time. 6. Set a budget and stick to it. Investing isn't about how much you make, it's about how much you save and invest. Create a budget that allows you to allocate a portion of your income to investments consistently. Automating contributions can help ensure you stay on track. 7. Be patient. Investing is a long-term game. Don't be discouraged by short-term fluctuations in the market. Stay focused on your goals and avoid making impulsive decisions based on market volatility. 8. Take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts. Maximize the benefits of tax-advantaged accounts like 401ks, IRAs, and HSAs. These accounts offer tax benefits and can help you grow your wealth faster. 9. Research and analyze investments. Before making any investment, thoroughly research the asset, company, or fund you're considering. Understand its history, potential risks, and performance. Consider consulting with a financial advisor if needed. 10. Review and adjust. Regularly review your investment portfolio to ensure it aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Adjust your investments as needed to stay on track. Conclusion. Investing can be a powerful tool for building wealth, but it requires knowledge, patience, and discipline. By following these tips and strategies, beginners can embark on their investment journey with confidence and increase their chances of achieving financial success. Remember that the Money Fortune is here to support you every step of the way on your path to financial prosperity. Happy investing! Enjoyed this video? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content.